My lips was dry and ashy. Close up on the screen. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, CaliReddGlam. If you are new, hit that subscribe button down below, and welcome to another day of Vlogmas. I want to show you guys and take another little peek at my wall over here. I had to show y'all it again. Look how cute this is. The girls tell me that I don't need to go get, I'm trying to go get this new wreath, and they're telling me I don't need to get the wreath. So maybe I won't. Okay. Also, this year, you guys, I'm thinking about putting some Christmas stuff up here. I've never put Christmas stuff up here before. So I'm thinking about getting some stuff to put up there.
Lies! There you go, this bitch.
Don't play with it. Don't play with it. But then I'm also going to Home Goods next week. So we're going to go there. We're going to visit it. I was going to go tomorrow, but I don't really feel like being in there tomorrow, because I got so much stuff to do tomorrow for the morning time. And then I'm going to do my hair and my nails. I got these cute press-on nails, y'all. Y'all, look what my baby girl got. She got 12 days of cocoa of Christmas. So she has all, I think this one, I forgot what flavor this one was. And then she's going to use the rest of these during the 12 days of Christmas. It is so cute. I wish I would have got this, but I don't need to have cocoa every day. And then she's also doing 25 days of Christmas movies with her friends. Okay, here you go, y'all. Yeah, that's the one that she had. But anyway, y'all, I know we supposed to do every day, but last year I did the same thing. I had stopped my vlog and then I refilmed that same night. So that's kind of like what I'm doing right now. So that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna go over here and clean that off so she can start decorating, because I want to show you guys what I'm doing every day as far as the decoration. I ate these too. I tore these up. Me and my baby girl was taking them down. Okay, good. If y'all are at y'all local Dollar Tree, y'all get these. When I tell you that peppermint flavor not too strong, it's not too strong on you. It's really, really good. Look, y'all. Look what I had to do to get this right. Look at this. And y'all, this is a tripod and ring light. So this is where I put when I film my TikToks already vertical, and then you could take this off and put your camera. It screws the camera in too. So yes, so that is cool, but now it is messed up. So this is what I had to do. I taped it down. Okay? I taped it down. What I'm supposed to do? Go buy another one? Even though I just bought me some new stuff from Amazon. They actually still work pretty good, so I don't know how long. I might be able to keep it.
Hang on the mistletoe. I'm gonna get to know you better this Christmas. And as we trim the tree,
I cannot wait to wear my earrings tomorrow. I'm gonna have my video up super early and edit, and I have to watch Aaliyah J, and I'm definitely watching Glamazante, and I have a couple of pre-film stuff, so I'm not really stressed. The only thing is the editing part. We burning this candle. We burning this tree farm. Okay. Oh my God, y'all cannot wait till the entire house is done. I'm trying to, I'm tired of this pimple, but I'm really trying to get most of everything done, like all the wall stuff. I'm trying to get that done for Saturday. And then I need to go get some, I got to go buy more garland. So, shorts and vlog. I'm hoping I can do it. I know last year I did it, but I missed like 7 separate days. So I didn't get to do every single day. So But I did last for my regular Vlogmas. I'm going to make sure that whenever I transfer videos, like when I multi-purpose a video or content from TikTok to YouTube Shorts, I'm going to always make sure to use different songs. I think that's one good way. I used a different song on TikTok, a different song on YouTube, but it was the same exact video. But I want to start posting more on TikTok like I used to. I used to love to do nails on there, makeup. No, I'm over here dead, y'all, because my baby girl, she has recordings of my FaceTime from years ago, and look at my lips.
Want to watch Divergent?
I'm always asking them to watch movies with me. But I must have been FaceTiming her. So I was up close on the phone with them ashy lips. I told y'all that's why I be trying to make sure that my lips be... Why? In the same spot right now, y'all.
Your cookies correctly, follow ingredients.
Oh, hilarious. And I'm sitting in the same exact spot, and then I got on the same exact beanie with probably almost the same damn wig, except for I did this one myself. I said, you want to watch Divergent? And my lips was dry and ashy, close up on the screen. Like, how dare?
There's any other one.
Here, next. I can't show you all of them because no. Oh my God, that was too funny. Talking about, you want to watch Divergent? All right, y'all. My baby girl taking too long. I cleaned the table for her, but she still ain't did nothing. So I'm probably just gonna show y'all in the morning.
Lies, there you go.
Oh, you guys, and an update on my pup passing away. My baby girl was telling me that it's a disease going around, right? Where the symptoms are your dog will get like a pink eye.
Kennel cough.
Kennel cough, yeah. We went back and looked at the
It's copyrighted.
please pause it. So we went back and looked at when he had the pink eye, and he had the pink eye like around September 6th, and he passed away September 10th. So we like, damn, what they saying is very true. Even at that time, the veterinarians didn't know any clue of what was wrong. And so in the recent months, like right at the end of November, we had found out a disease passing around from the dogs to the, from dog to dog, where people were not even walking their dogs. They were like, keeping the dogs in the house. And we've been noticing that too. Nobody's walking their dogs. So just recently it was told, just like a few days ago, where my baby girl found out that they had more information on what this disease was and the symptoms and all that stuff, and like to keep dogs away from each other for right now. And they said you can get it from like bushes because of contact from other dogs. So that's an update on him. And it just was sad to hear that, like, damn, like we was like, hold on, let's go back and look. My baby girl took a picture of his eye. He actually had kennel cough and a pink eye way before that. I'm talking about months before. So I'm assuming that he had whatever this disease is that a lot of the veterinarians in the news was talking about. Because we went back and looked, and she took a picture of him September 6th, and he passed away September 10th. It all makes sense now because they have no clue still why this is happening and what the name of the disease is. Messed up for real.